What's up, everybody? We're here at my new listing in Southfield at 30840 Northgate Drive. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,920 square feet, and you're looking at $324,900. Let's go check it out.
Well, we've made it inside. Let's check this thing out.
Let's go!
Oh my God, look at these hardwood floors. Beautiful hardwood floors. Do you see the glow from the natural sunlight hitting the hardwood floors and just illuminating the entire room? Check out this dining room. We've got a low-hanging lamp here, meaning you should probably put a dining room table right about there.
Now we're gonna go into the kitchen. You have your updated kitchen with granite countertops, and you also have a microwave. You can wash your dishes here in your dishwasher. You also have a beautiful fridge, stainless steel, and an oven that is also an air fryer. And you know what? You have a space to eat because you have a nice breakfast area to eat. You can put a little table here and get all this natural sunlight coming in. Now let's check out this room.
Check out this family room. I hear we've got an actual wood-burning fireplace here with real brick. And what do we have over here? 70s paneling. I love it. And look at this. More natural light. And is that a golf course right up there? Nope, that's just an indoor-outdoor rug. Sorry. Let's go this way. Oh, we've got a half bath here. Stairs?
Let's go upstairs. We got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths up here. The first bedroom right here, yeah, it's an investor special. You're gonna have to do a little bit of work. Maybe change out this carpet a little bit, change the lighting, but it has space for all your clothes.
Jonathan, are those hardwood floors underneath the carpet?
They're hardwood floors, so they can finish them with hardwood if they want to.
Why put carpeting back in when we can just refinish these beautiful hardwood floors? Look at them.
Let's go check out another room.
Follow me this way. Over here, we've got another bedroom. White walls, white carpet, another bedroom. We've got natural light overlooking the beautiful corner lot that we've been here. On to the next.
Now we're gonna go into such a special place. I love it. You know, this old school retro bathroom with the beautiful wallpaper here. I love it. Don't change it. You can change it if you want to, but you also have this green tile here and also this tub that you can just kind of go ahead and get in and relax. Let's go check out something else.
On to the third bedroom. Another bedroom, more carpeting and more natural light. 1 window, 2 window, 1 window, 2 window. Oh my God, so many windows. Walls, carpet, walls, carpet. Follow me this way, the master bedroom.
Now we're in the master bedroom, and as you can see, hardwood floors. And you know what? Look behind you. You have a nice mirror here for your closet. I like to look at myself. Hello, Chris. How's it going?
Oh, hey, hi, hello.
Good stuff over here. You want to go check out something else?
Yeah, let's do it.
Check out the bathroom.
Oh my God. Follow me this way. Master bathroom? Look at this thing, beautifully updated. I think the most money in the home was spent right here in this bathroom. Check out the flooring. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower now. I'm a little sweaty for making this video. Let's go. Shh. All right, enough playtime. We've got to check out the rest of the house. Follow us.
Let's go downstairs. Woo!
After you, Jonathan.
All right, let's go check this out. Look at this carpet. Red. I like red, but it's okay. Let's keep it the way it is. You can update it if you want to. But look, this can be a playroom or a little den, whatever you want it to be. It can be fun. It's spacious. What's this room?
Oh my God, this room. There's a washer and a dryer. You can do your laundry down here. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna throw in a load real quick. It'll just take a second. And over this way, we've got a closet that I'm gonna hide from you guys in. Here I am. Hello. Fish tank. May or may not be included with the sale of the home. Follow me this way. We've got the mechanical room.
Now you can check it out. You got your furnace, your water heater, and if you need a little table to get a little bit of work done, you can do it. And you know what? Look at this space over here. I just like it because I can just lay down and chill.